I am here with Chicago's hair restoration duo, Dr. Shah and Dr. Chug Tai. You guys, this is fascinating stuff. Now, there's something called the Aesthetic Scalp, and tell me a little bit about that and what you guys do.
Yeah, so it's kind of unique. We have hair science. Basically, our practice is science that helps us treat hair. And we treat all types of people, including men and women. And we have the latest techniques, including regenerative medicine, as well as robotics, the only hair restoration robotic on the market.
Okay, regenerative medicine. What is it?
So we take platelet-rich plasma, which is derived from a patient's own blood, and we obtain growth factors that we then inject back into the patient, and it stimulates hair follicles to grow and stay in the growing vase.
So it's a more advanced transplanting of hair.
Yeah, think of almost like our hair is almost being like a field that's barren, and the regenerative factors are like fertilizer. So you can actually get hairs that are dying to regrow, and when you're transplanting hairs, they'll actually come back more robust and luscious.
Okay, now this is interesting. You're having this done yourself.
Yeah, actually on Friday I'm having the procedure done. Okay. And what's going to happen is I'm going to try to recover from Friday to Monday. It's actually going to be live on our social media channels.
3-day recovery, in the past it has been much longer.
In the past it used to be way longer. There used to be a scar in the back. Patients were usually out between 1 to 2 weeks with swelling and things of that nature and limiting their hairstyles. Now with the advances in regenerative medicine, the recovery is much faster. With advances in robotic techniques, yeah, you're going to see all of that live on my social media channel.
That is fantastic. And to find out more, we go to shahmd.com?
Shahmd.com is our website, and our Instagram handle is @ShahAesthetics.
That sounds great. Thanks for being here.
Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you.
All right, we'll be back after a break.